Hi, I'm Dr. David, and I'm going to be talking today about gravity and how it attracts other objects. For example, this boot has more pull. Its pull is heavy. It pulls to the earth more than this can of soda. Why that is, you might ask? Because this boot has more mass, and because this boot has more mass, it wants to attract to the earth, because the earth has more mass and larger objects attract. So, if I drop this can of soda and this boot, the boot should hit first, but I don't want to ruin this can of soda. So, in which case, this remote would fall slower than this boot. And this boot is attracted to us just as much as this remote is attracted to us, because we have more mass than the boot. But if we set this down, the remote doesn't move towards us, because since we're so small compared to this remote, it won't move to us. But if we were in space and we let go of it, it would begin to orbit the Earth. If it was released in a good enough spot, and it would orbit the Earth. So it would spin around continuously until it was acted upon by another force. Which is why it's the same rule as we orbit the sun. The sun's larger than us, and we are attracted to the sun, but the sun, we're just in a perfect enough place to where the sun doesn't pull us in. And also, I'm going to talk to you about free fall and escape velocity. An escape velocity is the amount of speed you need to get out of an object's atmosphere. So, for example, getting off the moon's atmosphere would be easier than getting off the Earth's atmosphere, because the moon has a smaller atmosphere and less gravity. That's why we feel weightless on the moon and in space, because the gravitational pull is smaller. And free fall is when no force but gravity is being acted upon an object. So if we were falling on Earth, air resistance is acting on us, so it is not true free fall. And free fall is just basically a falling without any forces being attached to you or anything like that, and the only force that's acting on you is gravity. That's why you can only have true free fall in space.